Welcome to Understand the Math. Let's look at some examples where we're going to evaluate some inverse tangent functions. We'll begin with evaluating inverse tan of root 3. We don't need to check if this function is defined because inverse tangent is defined for all values of x. So we'll go right to letting theta equal inverse tan of root 3. That gives us tangent theta is equal to root 3. And we'll remind ourselves that we're going to choose a value of theta between minus pi over 2 and pi over 2. Since it's hard to remember angles that make tangent equal to root 3, let's write tangent as sine over cosine. And we'll set root 3 to be equal to root 3 over 2 on top and 1/2 on the bottom. So looking at this, we can see that theta is going to be equal to pi over 3. So our inverse tan of root 3 is equal to pi over 3. For our last example, we'll evaluate the inverse tan of minus 1. We'll begin by letting theta equal inverse tan of minus 1 and remind ourselves again that our theta has to lie between minus pi over 2 and pi over 2. So this means that tangent theta is equal to negative 1. Tangent is negative, so it's going to be in the fourth quadrant, and that gives theta is equal to minus pi over 4. So our inverse tan of negative 1 is equal to minus pi over 4.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.